Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you use one Apple ID into different iPhones. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic for you. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to open the settings, and then you can find the sign in option here. So first you have to sign in your Apple ID or set up your Apple ID in one device. Now after setting up the Apple ID guys, just simply have to tap on your profile here, and after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on sign in and security. So tap on that. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. So let's wait guys. So it's loading right now. So after that guys, you have to scroll it down and you can find here guys automatic verification. Tap on that. You can see it guys, SS apps on the website faster and easier by pause captures in apps and on the web by allowing iCloud and privately verify your device and account. So you can see here guys, is showing automatic verifications. So you have to turn this on. After turning it on guys, just simply have to open another device and just simply have to open the settings on another device and just simply have to tap on sign in option. Now you have to follow the on screen instruction that you have to put the Apple ID and then you have to put the password, and after that guys, the verification code will be sent to your another device. So just simply have to copy that code and give that code in another device, and you can easily use the same Apple ID, or you can easily sign in the same Apple ID in two different devices. So that's pretty much for today's video. If this is helpful, please like the channel. Thanks for watching.